This video explains how to buy shares of Lunai Bioworks Inc., ticker LNAI. Lunai Bioworks is a biotech company listed on NASDAQ, and this walkthrough is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type in the ticker LNAI to locate Lunai Bioworks Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company profile and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the name, ticker, and exchange to make sure this is the right security. Click Invest, enter the amount you wish to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a pending order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing. Once the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.